welcome back to my channel. We've just arrived to our hotel in Belize and I'm literally swooning at its beauty. We're spending the first half of our trip here at Hilton's Mahogany Bay Village in Ambergris Caye. Like, guys, if Belize isn't on your travel destination radar yet, I highly recommend adding this incredible country to your list.
Good morning. It is day 2 in Belize and I have to say this place is so wonderful and it's so underrated. I think that I found out about it through a friend and I'm really excited that I'm here, and I'm just going to show you where I'm lounging. I mean, look at that. We're at a private beach in San Pedro and this has quite honestly been such a reprieve from school and I'm so happy to be here. It's day 2 currently, and today we spent the morning at a private beach club hosted by our resort, and then we're about to head out in just a little bit. It's like mid-afternoon now, and we're going to go to a sunset catamaran tour with wine and cheese, and I'm really excited about that. The sunset's pretty early here. It's at like 6:30. Originally we weren't supposed to do the sunset wine and cheese tonight. We were supposed to do it tomorrow night on our last night at this resort, but it looks like it's going to be thunderstorming, which I'm actually kind of bummed about because we came before the rainy season. The rainy season technically starts in like May, June, and it's just going to be storming for the next week, but thankfully we're going inland and we're going to be going into Guatemala from San Ignacio, Belize, to look at some Mayan ruins and a huge architectural site. It's supposed to be a UNESCO World Heritage Site, so I'm super excited about that, and I'll take you along. It is our last day in Belize, and thankfully it ended up not raining, so we have a full day of sunshine ahead. I'm not sure what we're going to do today, but I am going to go grab some coffee this morning and we'll go from there. One of the really cool things I wanted to mention about San Pedro, Belize is that to get around, everybody rents these little golf carts that are like all behind me. So, and there's bikes too, but definitely golf carts because it's a 30-mile long island. And so we rented one of these the other night. It's kind of crazy driving on the bumpy roads, but it's a lot of fun, and I highly recommend that if you take a golf cart out and you come here, you go to this north part of the island called Secret Beach. It's free drinks, free like lounging, and not free drinks, but it's free lounging, then you can buy your drinks, and it's a whole bunch of fun, and I highly recommend it. Guys, we are going inland to San Ignacio and I'm driving, so this will be an adventure. Woo! already. It took like 2 hours to get here, and we're finally at the Maya Mountain Lodge in San Ignacio, and it's stunning. I will show you around.
Knowing your body feels so tired to get out of bed. You pour your heart on a letter to chase it away. Cause and it's all because of you. Hey, what's gonna give you more time forever? Know what they say, only time will tell. You know what they say, and never.
Okay, it's been a really long day. We have an early morning up ahead. We're leaving at 6:45 from our resort to Tikal, Guatemala, and it's like a 2-hour drive. So we'll be up probably with the sunrise at 5:30. And my plan is now to shower and get in bed by 10. Let's see if I can do it. It's 8:30 in the morning, and we are officially in Guatemala.
Think of you when I'm sleeping with someone new. I can't help myself, I wanna miss you. Still feel the way I feel when somebody calls you out. Are you sleeping with someone new? Someone new, when I'm sleeping with someone new, I just close my eyes and think of you. When I'm sleeping with someone.
Alright guys, it is our last day in the lovely country of Belize, and I could not recommend it more. I loved it so much, and I can't wait to return and then potentially go to Guatemala if I can. So yesterday we did the Tikal Mayan Ruins. They have over 4,000 Mayan structures that have been found and partially excavated. I got to the top of the highest temple. It was a beautiful view. I barely have footage from up there because I ended up getting stung twice. I think my bug spray was attracting the bees because my sister, her boyfriend, my boyfriend, everybody was getting like swarmed by bees, and we were the only ones. So that was pretty not great, and I definitely don't recommend some herbal bug spray that I found, so I'll like upload which one that was. But overall it was beautiful, and I can't wait to return. And yeah, right now we're eating our last dinner in Belize. We're staying at the Best Western, which is surprisingly like super nice. A lot of people are staying here because it's literally like a mile away from the airport, and it's kind of the closest thing that you can stay in before you fly out the next morning. So it's kind of like a safe bet. And yeah, I guess the only other thing I wanted to mention was I rented a car and I got to drive through Belize, and that was really cool, going inland and driving and kind of seeing all the mountains, and all of that was just great. So I'll show you what the Tikal looked like, and then I'll show you the restaurant, and that's it.